This course is for parents who have been swept up in the struggle that is online learning. For many parents, online learning was not a choice that they made, and there can be a lot of confusion as how best to help children and teenagers do the best that they possibly can, while also providing a space for a healthy home life. This is a crash course where you will learn exactly what you need to know to get started. Through this course, you will learn tips, tricks, and skills to help navigate learning from home. These include setting healthy boundaries, setting up a network, and using forms of creative learning. You will also learn how to navigate your role in facilitating your child alongside their teacher to make sure that they get the most out of this experience. My name is Damelin, and I'll be taking you through this course